Find or read reviews that people are talking about BENYAR smart military smartwatches. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. BENYAR Smart Military Smartwatches for Men is equipped with a powerful 1000 mAh battery that offers up to 65 days of standby time. You can focus on your adventures without worrying about frequent recharging. The long-lasting battery ensures reliable performance during outdoor expeditions and intense workouts. The built-in LED flashlight provides extra visibility and safety, helping you find your way in darkness, perfect for nighttime activities and bad weather. An ideal choice for men who need durability and functionality. Designed for users who demand maximum reliability and endurance, this fitness tracker watch has been tested to military-grade standards for shock and pressure resistance. Its brushed surface enhances the metal texture and gives it a refined masculine look, while minimizing fingerprints and scratches. Compared to other watches, both aesthetics and toughness are significantly improved, perfect for tough conditions and stylish wear alike. The smartwatch features a 1.75-inch HD large display with vivid colors and clear details, even under sunlight. It offers a more generous and elegant feel than 1.43-inch models, yet remains more compact and practical than 1.85-inch ones. Enhanced energy efficiency extends battery life for longer use. Comes with 3 straps, elegant stainless steel for formal occasions, breathable black silicone for daily wear, and sporty gray for workouts. Quick-release design lets you easily switch to match your style and needs. This men's smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling, allowing you to answer and make calls directly from the watch, no need to pull out your phone. Stay updated with instant message alerts for SMS, emails, and social media apps. It's perfect for busy men who need hands-free convenience without missing important calls or messages. Stay connected and productive no matter where you are. With over 110 sports modes, this sport watch helps you reach your fitness goals by accurately tracking your activities. Whether you're running, swimming, biking, or sprinting, it records your stats and provides detailed performance insights. The training tracker monitors your heart rate, calorie burn, and workout intensity, helping you stay informed and motivated. A great tool for active men aiming to improve their fitness efficiently. The EF12 watches for men is your ideal everyday companion. Smart notifications ensure you never miss important calls, messages, or social media updates even when you're busy. Health features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and workout logs support a healthier lifestyle. With its versatility, this watch fits into work, sport, and casual settings. Seamlessly connects to your smart devices and simplifies your daily routine. Compatible with Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 8.0 Plus, this smartwatch connects smoothly with most smartphones. Features include music control, remote camera, weather forecast, Bluetooth calls, message alerts, sports and sleep tracking, and heart rate monitoring. Tip: press and hold the lower right button for about 3 seconds to activate the LED flashlight. You can choose from 3 modes: steady, warning, and SOS by swiping down and tapping the flashlight icon. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.